we start adding our water weights, we start from the corner. This is the one that's gonna be the most different from all of them, just because I don't like them hanging down. You're gonna attach it, so wherever we have the knot between the both necks, we're gonna grab our water weight. With the neck of the water weight, we're going to tie it right between the both quads, just one knot. Don't do it too tight because you could make the water weight pop. You're gonna bring it over, pull it to the side. Here, I need to do it before. Sorry, guys. Okay, the water weight's there on the side. Next up, so anytime there is a big quad, we're gonna bring it right before the big quad. We're gonna tie it, the water weight, we're gonna bring it across and let it sit there like that. And you want your water weights to be at least one of the colors that you're using in your balloon bouquet. Again, this is the third big quad. Gonna grab the neck, tie it in between both quads. Soft knot, don't overdo it, bring it across, let it sit. The reason why I put it across and don't let it just hang is because it's gonna it's gonna make the balloon bouquet kind of like crooked, like inwards. And the edges are gonna lift up.